can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market today. We're having a red day in the markets. The markets are pulling back. We saw Bitcoin get to as high as $93,000, and then all of a sudden Bitcoin fell to as low as $89,000. Ethereum is still holding the $3,000 level. We saw it get to as high as $3,200. If you take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, we also look at Altcoin season index. When I'm going to see Altcoin season, the fear and greed index says the market has returned to extreme fear. Just some few days ago, market participants were saying is we're back, we're going to the moon. This time is different. Just one pullback is shaking their confidence. We'll also look at the meme coin market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen the altcoin market bounce, but the last 1 week has also seen a lot of those altcoins giving back most of those gains. We have seen sentiment in the cryptocurrency market go from "it's all over" to "we're back" to "is it all over again." A lot of market participants are calling for the bear market. A lot of market participants are actively even shorting the market. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours, more than 130,000 traders have been liquidated, with total liquidation coming in around $412 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $8.5 million. If you look at what Bitcoin has done in the month of December, Bitcoin went positive in the month of December. Bitcoin is still down 21% in Q4. Ethereum is down 26% in Q4. Bitcoin right now is negative 0.82% in the month of December. For Ethereum, Ethereum is still up 1.48%. You look at Ethereum's US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, Ethereum is holding on to the $3,000 level. Fingers crossed, are we going to see Ethereum go to $4,000, $5,000, maybe even $6,000? I'll not be sure, guys. If we're gearing up one big pump to the upside, I've always been saying that the next pump is going to be for the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen Bitcoin have its own time in the sun. We've seen Ethereum have its own time in the sun. We've seen a lot of top 10 altcoins give us outrageous pumps at some point in time in the cycle. Right now, I believe is the time for medium caps and lower caps to pump aggressively. So don't be shocked, guys, to see Ethereum pumping over the next few days and the next few weeks. Ethereum could easily still get to that $5,300 level. You never want to say never. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, trading around $89,000. I'll not be shocked, guys. The top is already in for Bitcoin. My best case scenario for Bitcoin is it rallying towards $110,000. Maybe we even see it get to $120,000. But that $110,000 level is going to be very, very pivotal. Don't be shocked to see Bitcoin quickly rallying to $110,000, then stalling there as we consolidate. Another key thing to watch out for over the next few days is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance sits at 59.29%. We're expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. When Bitcoin dominance dump, that's where we see good times return well to the altcoin market. Historically, that also happens at the end of the market cycle. Historically, when the cycle is over, we usually see Bitcoin dominance dumping. We see a lot of Bitcoin gains flow into the altcoin market. Altcoins will pump parabolically. We saw it in 2017, entering 2018. We saw it in 2021 when we had that 2021 bull market. I don't think this time is different. I believe Bitcoin dominance will dump before the cycle comes to an end. If you look at the total crypto market cap, which currently sits around the $3 trillion level, the all-time high for the total crypto market cap still around the $4.27 trillion level. The next few days, we might see the total crypto market cap with a 702 retracement. That's if we don't get to new all-time highs. We might see the market cap get back to $3.7 trillion. But if we're rallying to new all-time highs, we need to blast past the $4.27 trillion level. If you see the total crypto market cap getting to new all-time highs, you see Ethereum getting to new all-time highs, and Bitcoin, the king of the market, fails to get to new all-time highs, that will be one of the telltale signs to start running for the hills. That will be one of the telltale signs that there's trouble in paradise. Don't get carried away, guys. This is one of the most volatile markets in the world. Your number one job here is to buy low and to sell high, to buy when there's fear in the market, and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's extreme fear. Right now, we're at the extreme where market participants are scared. We have seen extreme fear return back to cryptocurrency market. We had a little relief where we went towards fear. The fear and greed index is very, very funny. The fear and greed index tells us how market participants are feeling. It doesn't tell us why they are feeling so. So even though Bitcoin trades at $89,000 and Ethereum trades above $3,000, there's extreme fear in the market. Are we in a bear market? Is the bear market over? Is the dump over? We're seeing a lot of cryptocurrencies dumped to levels not seen since 2022. A lot of the technical indicators are showing that the last time we were this oversold, we were deep in the bear market. I believe, guys, 2026 is going to be brutal for the cryptocurrency market. We are going to see a lot of big dumps to Goblin Town. This is just the beginning, but before those dumps to Goblin Town begins, we're going to catch a relief rally. We're going to catch Santa rally that might see us get to new all-time highs, or that might convince enough market participants to get back into the market before we start dumping to Goblin Town. So I'm sure by some point in the nearest future, we shall see greed, or maybe extreme greed, return back to the cryptocurrency market. Over the last few days, we have seen the MicroStrategy Ford get to the extreme. Right now, Strategy raised $1.44 billion to dispel Ford amidst a Bitcoin down cycle. That's what their CEO is saying. Fon said his firm has raised 21 months of dividends runway in just 8 days to head off investors on ease. We heard about how MicroStrategy's MNAV dropped below 1. That means the asset they have is way more than their market cap. But I believe this is not the time to be scared. Historically, till the crash happens, market participants are not going to ask why. We saw similar situation happening in 2022. People are talking about how Theta Ford, Luna Ford. But when Bitcoin got to $48,000, the general sentiment that we are back is after we dumped aggressively to Goblin Town. We now start hearing how Luna has collapsed, how Genesis is borrowing money, yada yada yada. Be careful out there, guys. You're going to see the news stories slowly shifting towards positive over the next few days and the next few weeks. We just saw just 2 days pump. We started seeing market participants reverting from, the bear market is here, to maybe we're just back. Maybe that was just a dip. Don't get carried away, guys. The cycle is almost coming to an end. Theta solvency fears are misplaced as companies seize on large surplus. Bitcoin rigs of signals fire despite traders view that some 100k Bitcoin eats a discount. Bitcoin trades water at $90,000 as well eats the Ethereum dip. Poly market plans to use in-house market makers to trade against reports. A lot of market participants right now in the prediction market. Poly market and cow share have been the talk of the town. This cycle has been very crazy, guys. Even though we have pumped aggressively to higher prices, even though institutions are coming to crypto, it feels as if it has just been a crazy bear market. Bitcoin accumulation threatens as realized losses near $5.82 billion. If you look at the Altcoin season index, right now we're not in an altcoin season, but guys, I believe we're going to see an altcoin season during the Santa rally. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is still down 12%. A lot of altcoins are down bad, but expect to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. That's when we eventually enter altcoin season. And for us to get to altcoin season, more than 75% of the top 50 coins have to do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. And the meme coin market is one market to watch out for the next few days as the altcoin market is bubbling. Pay attention to the meme coin market. That's where most of the gains are usually made. The final phase of the market cycle usually see memes pump aggressively. Those memes that you have been watching out for could easily make 1x, 2x, 10x pumps in a very short period of time. Market participants always go risk off when they feel like the market is coming to an end. For whatever reason, you just see them start taking more and more risks. I believe this time around, the narrative might be Santa rally. It might be 2026 going to be bullish. We might just see us pump to the end of the year before we start our big dump to Goblin Town in 2026. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Ethereum sits at number 2. We have XRP, BNB, Solana, Tron, Dogecoin, Cardano, all still in the top 10. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The market is red today. The last 1 week has seen a bounce in the market. We saw sentiment briefly improve, but right now it looks like the market has taken back most of those gains. Do you believe we're back? Are we in the bear market? Are we gearing up for that big relief rally that will see us pump aggressively to the moon? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.